Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Welcome to your science class. Today we are going to start our unit number 4, that is human digestive system. After completing this unit, you people will be able to know that what is digestion, what are the different forms of digestion, and what are the different organs that are involved in digestive system and how these organs work. So let's start our unit, digestive system. Like all the living things, we need food, but the food we eat consists of larger particles. These particles are large enough that they cannot enter into the cell. That's why they need to be broken down into smaller pieces. The process by which the food is broken down into smaller particles or smaller pieces is called digestion. After digestion, the food is converted into smaller pieces and absorbed into the blood and reaches towards the cells. So, digestion is the process by which food is broken down into simple chemical substances that can be absorbed as used as nutrients by the body. It means that after digestion, the food is converted into simple chemical substances. These chemical substances are absorbed into the blood, and blood carries these nutrients towards the body cells or tissues, and then our cells use these nutrients and we get energy from these nutrients. There are two types of digestion: mechanical digestion and the chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion is the process of changing of physical form of food. It means that food is converted into smaller pieces or smaller particles by the grinding and chewing action of the teeth. While the chemical digestion is the process of changing chemical composition of food into new substances with the help of or with the aid of digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes are the special molecules that help in the digestion and that speed up the process of digestion. Now start our digestive system, how this system works and which organs are involved in digestive system. As you can see in the picture, this is the picture of human digestive system, and these are the different organs that are involved in digestive system. Digestive system starts from mouth and ends at the anus. After mouth, the next part is the esophagus or food pipe. Then the next organ is stomach, small intestine and large intestine. While the liver, gallbladder and pancreas are called accessory organs. Means these organs help in the process of digestion. The digestion starts from the mouth or oral cavity. Here the teeth and tongue are present, which help in the physical digestion or mechanical digestion of food. The food is converted into smaller particles by the grinding and chewing action of the teeth. The tongue helps to roll and mixes the food with the saliva. Here the salivary glands are present, which produce an enzyme called saliva, which help in the digestion of carbohydrates. So both types of digestion take place in mouth: physical digestion by teeth and tongue, and chemical digestion with the help of saliva. Then the food is pushed into a narrow tube-like structure, which is called esophagus or food pipe. The food is pushed downward by the muscles of esophagus. The muscles contract and relax, and the food is pushed towards the stomach. Stomach is a bag-like organ, and it is a muscular organ which helps in digestion of food also. The walls of the muscle help in the grinding of food, and here the physical digestion and chemical digestion, both type of digestion take place in the stomach. The stomach walls help in grinding the food. This is called physical digestion. While the juices are produced in the stomach, that are called gastric juices, or an acid is also produced here, which is called gastric acid or hydrochloric acid. This acid helps in the digestion of food, while it also helps to kill the germs. Here the gastric juices are produced with enzyme pepsin is produced, which helps in the digestion of proteins. After stomach, the food is pushed towards the small intestine. Small intestine is a 20 feet long tube which folds many times to fit in the abdominal cavity. Small intestine has three parts like duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Here the digestion is completed. The chemical digestion takes place in the small intestine with the help of different digestive enzymes. After digestion, the digested food is absorbed into the blood and blood carry this digested food towards the body, while the undigested food is moved toward the large intestine. Large intestine is the last part of the digestive system. It has further three parts like ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon. And the last part of this large intestine is called rectum. Here the undigested food is stored in the form of feces. The food becomes hard and the water is absorbed into large intestine from food, and food is stored in rectum. Undigested food is stored in the rectum. Here you can see the different organs of digestive system in order. First, the mouth or the oral cavity. Then the food comes into the esophagus. From the esophagus, the food is pushed towards the stomach. In the stomach, the pepsin, an enzyme, is produced which help in the digestion of proteins. Hydrochloric acid is also produced in the stomach. Then the digested food is pushed towards the small intestine. We remember that in the stomach, the food is converted into a soupy mixture, while in the small intestine, the food is totally digested. After that, the undigested food is pushed towards the large intestine, and this undigested food or waste materials are removed from the body by anus. You can see the accessory organs that are liver, gallbladder and pancreas. These organs produce digestive enzymes that help in digestion. Liver produces bile which help in the digestion of fats. This bile is stored in the gallbladder, and gallbladder pour this bile into the small intestine, and bile helps in chemical digestion of fats. Pancreas also produce pancreatic juices which help in digestion. Hope you have understood about the digestive system and you can answer now these questions. So the questions are, question number 1 is, what is digestion? Name its types. Question number 2 is, name the various organs of digestive system in order. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Thank you and best of luck till next class.